All right, you guys, I don't know how I'm keeping it together, but it's time to look to see what's inside the box. So this is the NEXY box, the Chicago Pen Show NEXY sale. I got my box in the mail this afternoon, and I opened it, but I don't know what's inside yet. So also, what does that mean? Is that like a secret code or something? Atlas Stationers? I love the little cloud. I'm going to put that in my journal. How about that? All right, let's go. We have all the stuffs. Got the card. Oh, okay. All right. Pilot Kakuno in this awesome neon yellow. Thumbs up on that. The brass Kaweco. I'm not a huge Kaweco fan, but maybe this will twist me. Maybe this will twist my arm. It's got some weight to it. Awesome. Atlas Stationers. Okay. Ooh, Wearing Goal, Black Dream. I think this is just a basic black, but it's Black Dream. Noveler, Narwhal. The Eclipse in black gold. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is their version. So this is the Narwhal version of a Vanishing Point. That's amazing. Oh, here for it. I am here for it. Okay. I can see the box. I can see the box. I don't know what it is, but I can see the box. Okay, and this is in fine. This is, I don't know. Let's see. Extra fine. It's a vanishing point. It's a vanishing point. It's a vanishing point. Oh. And it's beautiful. Okay. If this is a medium, I'm in heaven. It's a broad. Oh, it's even better. Oh my God. I would never buy a Pilot Vanishing Point in broad for myself. I don't think I would. I'm so excited. Okay, and that's everything in the box. You guys. So let's just review like the value of this box. $192 right there. $100 right there. So right now we're at $292. $25 ink. $13, is that what they go for? Kakuno. And the Novelar? I am pleased as punch. I need to sit with this for a moment. So good. So good. Thank you, Atlas Stationers, for this sale. It was a very stressful sale. Worth it. worth it. This was the $3.50 box. So nobody's like, you know, "Oh, what'd she pay for it?" $3.50.